Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can actually spawn Warden in Minecraft. So, first of all, make sure that you are using the latest version of Minecraft that contains the Warden into it. And just go ahead and open your Word. For example, I'm going to open my super flat Word to just show you how you can actually spawn your Warden in multiple ways. So I will show you the creative mode way and I will show you the survival mode way. So first of all, just make sure that you are not playing on the peaceful mode just like me, and let's start time set 0, just something like that. Let's make it peaceful just to remove these mobs, and let's make it normal again. So as you can see now, you can't really spawn Warden in creative mode like in this world without an egg. So how you can get an egg in creative mode? Basically, just click on your E or open your inventory and search for Warden, and just like so, you can here open and put Warden down into your game. This is the first method, which is how you can put a Warden down, and the second method, which is the survival world method, is basically okay, this guy is starting to completely destroy everything. Anyway, basically, if you go down into the caves, into like your Minecraft caves, and you find like somehow a black biome that contains the wait, let me check for the blocks if I can have them in here. If not, I will try to explain somehow for you. Okay, it doesn't really show me the blocks because it's really not a block that you can take or like do something with it. Okay, here it is, skull, something like that. Okay, if you want somewhere in your Minecraft world full of these blocks, and you find like a weird kind of a castle under the ground, that's how you can actually locate the Warden. It will not be spawned at the beginning, it will spawn right after you these kind of stuff locate you. How they can locate you? By just walking around without shift, they can actually locate you, and they will send some message to the Warden, and the Warden by itself, it will spawn, and after spawning he will be able to locate you using these tools in here. So make sure to destroy them if you watch them, or make sure to walk using shift around them just to avoid this Warden from spawning in the early on of the game, because it really hurts. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.